Welcome to the Test Life in UK lesson number 1. Who were the first people to arrive in Britain in what we call the Stone Age? When did Britain become permanently separated from the continent by the Channel? The Commonwealth has no power over its members, and it cannot suspend their membership. Which of the following statements regarding the Black Death is not true? The Elizabethan period is known for the richness of its poetry and drama, especially for the plays and poems of which playwright? Which of the following is not a fundamental principle of British life? Which two of the following are environmental charities? Which flag has a diagonal red cross on a white ground? Where is the city of Swansea located? When is Christmas Eve celebrated? Which British sportsman won 5 consecutive gold medals at the Olympic Games in the rowing category? What is the name of the centerpiece to the Remembrance Day service located in Whitehall, London? Who was the inventor of the World Wide Web? What does the UK offer to its residents or citizens? Choose 5 answers. When did the Wars of the Roses start? How many members does the Scottish Parliament have? What does the term coalition refer to? The public can listen to debates in the Palace of Westminster from public galleries in both the House of Commons and the House of Lords. Pool and darts are traditional pub games. When did the UK formally leave the European Union? What is the minimum age requirement in the UK to drink wine or beer with a meal provided you are with someone over 18? Who is the spiritual leader of the Church of England? Who was reigning in England when Wales became formally united with England by the Act for the Government of Wales? Civil servants cannot stand for public office.